Hey guys, it's me again, Dragon Slayer. Yeah, I'm about to do another nature cleaning video.
You kid.
So,
You gotta have Damos hold the camera, kid.
so let's do this. Let's go. Go. No, I'm okay.
I'm looking at you.
I know. I'm going to do the cleaning. It's going to be called nature cleaning.
Right here.
You know what the number is going to be.
Supposed to be like abracadabra gloves.
So, yeah. I don't need abracadabra gloves. Guys, I'm putting on gloves. The gloves magically appeared, so I'm putting them on. So, I'm getting this. And if I see anything that wants to eat me or battle me, I have that thing, that blue thing right there. Look down. Right there, if you see it in the camera. Yeah. Let's go. I wish we had a third guy that was with me doing this, but we don't. So
Yeah, for the microphone?
no, for us to help us clean the thing. So yeah, remember last video I
Look at that hydrant pump.
and I have a short sleeve shirt.
Look at that hydrant thing. Look at the hydrant thing.
That was like a little bit ago. So I still have the short sleeve shirt.
Hold
You
it.
see those thorns right there? Look at the thorns. You see those thorns right there? Yeah, I have to be careful of the thorns because I have with my arms because I have a short sleeve shirt on. We found a hydra tank. So let me just get this. Let's check it out. Let go. Let go, bro. Let go. And it feels like this. It's been used a lot, so we're going to take this thing out. And we're going to see what we can do with it. Hey, Junior, look what we found. Junior, look. Junior, look what we found. It's a hydra tank. Look at it. Yeah, I found one of those. See, look. It's been used, so it doesn't look like it can spray anything. I've been used because when I squeeze the thing, it doesn't push anything. So yeah, fire extinguisher. Anything metal we find, we're gonna put right here. Any trash we find, we're gonna put in here. So yeah, because we don't want the trash polluting our nature. So go back. Come on, Hammer.
I can't run.
We're going back the way we found the hot extinguisher. If I get this thing up, I'm stuck. So this is the thing I have these gloves on. He has the tablet, so he doesn't have to pick up like all the stuff. Only reason he doesn't have any gloves on is because he's holding the camera. Or tablet, whatever you want to call it. He's holding the camera. So yeah. He's holding the camera. That's why he's wearing no gloves. So he's holding the camera. No, look at this. No respect for ice cream or nature life. I'm gonna just throw it out of here. We will get to all the trash our lights are. So yeah, if we hear any hissing, that means we found a snake. So we have to be on the lookout for snakes. Because if they randomly attack us, we're going to be dead. Oh, wow. No respect for nature. Or chips. Look at this. A chip bag. Whatever this is. Mozzarella bag. Let's go back up here. This is used to pull the thorns out the way. Ooh. And pull like the branches that are stuck and stuff. Stop. Look what I found. So we're gonna get the things later, and he accidentally dropped the camera. So yeah, look at this. A brick. No respect for nature or bread. Look at this. A straight up bread sack. Let's just keep on going. Only reason he doesn't have the gloves on, you will know because I already told y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out of here. We have like an open area. This is an apartment buildings complex. So, I found the lid that ice cream we threw out. I found the lid. Yep, butter pecan. That was butter pecan. I found the lid. So just throw the lid. Go back over here and throw the lid out. But seriously, people have no respect of nature. So, yeah. I'm pulling this thing, as you can see. I need to attach it to the
David, I will not do that if I was you. That thing will shoot off and hit you in your eye.
Yeah, guys, I don't think I want to do all this because he said the thing will shoot off and hit me in the eye. So, yeah, you see some of these thorns are like near your arm. So I can still feel the thorniness in the glove. That's how sharp thorns are. So beware of thorns. Thorns can go through skin, but they can go through gloves. Any type of glove. I'm gonna try hooking it up here.
It's not gonna work. Gonna hit you right in your eye again. For real, gonna hit you right in your eye. Come on, David, before we get in trouble with the tablet. Better hurry up before we get all this in trouble.
Down.
Oh!
Yeah, let's go take this back.
Yeah. Guys, we're going to take this back.
It's called
Guys,
off. It's called a dust off. Somebody threw it out here a very long time ago. When I saw it, time ago. But when I saw it, I was like, oh, that's just a can. But it was actually a dust off can.
hey! We got that thing hooked up, son. Yes? I got it. Too much.
This is incredible. Whatever you want to call it. Because I can't believe we found it. It's called a dust off can. After all the metal thing I'm about to show Miss Sean and Junior. So, we're back.
Don't go in. But there, you can't go in.
Found a dust off can. Huh?
We cleaned up nature. Look, yeah, this is my mom. She pretty, ain't she? Guys, do not. Y'all write that in the comment. I'm gonna figure out where y'all live and kick y'all.
So
That's it for the video.
I'm gonna stop the video right here. So see you later. See you later, guys.